Good morning to all. I am Sonakshi Majumdar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to teach you class 2nd subject maths unit 2 numbers. So please take out your my semester book page number 68 and be ready. So here is page number 68. Number practice. Write the numbers by following the given patterns. Here again, as we have done before, number pattern is given here. Means you have to leave some number. Some numbers are missing here. Okay, so we have to solve it. You can see my book is already filled. So we will do in my notebook. So this is my notebook. This is question number 1. 5, 7, 9, 11. After that dash is there. We have to fill the dash. Okay. Now first of all we will see that I have written number from 1 to 25 so that it will be easy for us to count. See the question. 5 after that 7 means how many numbers we are leaving? After 5 6 is there. So only one number we are leaving and writing the next number. So in this one you have to leave one number only. 5, leave 6, then 7. After that leave 8, 9, again leave 10, 11. Okay. So after that again we have to leave one number, that is leave 12, write here 13. After 13 leave 14, write 15. After 15 leave 16, write 17. Okay. After 17 leave 18, write 19. Okay. And after 19 leave 20, write 21. Okay. After 21 leave 22, write what it will be the last number? 23. Okay, you have to leave one word number and write the next number. Now see the next question. 1, 11, 21. It is very easy. Here we can see there are gap of 10 digit number. 1 after that 11 after that 21. So I have written like this. Okay. 1, 11, 21. After that what will be the next number? 31. After that the next number will be 41. After that 51. After that 61. After that 71. After that 81. And the last one will be 91. Now see the next question. Okay. Third question. 13, 18, 23. So again I have written like this from 11 to 60. I have written these numbers. Okay, so let's start. 13. After that how many number gap? 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18 means the fifth 4 number gap. Fifth number we are writing here. Okay. After that again leave 4 numbers. 19, 20, 21, 22. Fifth number, that is 23, you have to, it is written here. Okay. Again we will leave 4 numbers. 24, 25, 26 and 27. Next number will be, fifth number will be 28. Okay. After that again leave 4 numbers. 29, 30, 31, 32. Next number will be 33. Okay. After that 34, 35, 36, 37. 37. The next number is 38. So write here 38. Okay. Again leave 4 numbers. 39, 40, 41, 42. Next number will be 43. Okay. After that again leave 4 numbers. 44, 45, 46, 47. Next number will be 48. 49, 50, 51, 52. Next number will be 53. Again leave 4 numbers. 54, 55, 56, 57. Next number will be 58. 58. So like this you have to do. Understood? Now see the fourth question. This is last one. Okay, 9, 12, 15. Okay, so I have written numbers from 1 to 40. It will be easy for us to count and to write the correct numbers. So this is your homework. See from 9 to 12 how many number gap is there and which number you have to write. This will be your homework. Do it. See the next question. Rewrite the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. Smallest to greatest means in ascending order you have to arrange this number. Smallest to greatest. छोटे से बड़ा ये जो numbers दिया है 21, 12, 32, 23, 68, 50. This one we have to arrange from smallest to greatest in a increasing order. So let's start. So this is my notebook. Okay, as you know that my book is already filled, so that is why I have written in my notebook. Okay, see here you have to arrange the numbers from smallest to greatest. Smallest to greatest means सबसे छोटे से सबसे बड़ा. Okay, so which is the smallest number here? 12. 12 is the smallest, so write first 12. Okay, after 12 next number will be 21. Right, 21. After 21 next number is 23. Okay, after 23 next number is 32. Okay, after 32 next number will be 50 and the greatest number is 68. So like this we have to arrange from smallest to greatest. छोटे नंबर से धीरे धीरे करते हुए बड़े नंबर तक अरेंज करना है. Now the next number is 41, 86, 50, 68, 45 and 54. What is the smallest number here? The smallest number is 41. So write here 41. After that, after 41, 45. Okay. After 45, 45 से बड़ा नंबर ढूंढना है. 45 से बड़ा कौन सा नंबर है? After 45, 50. Right? 50. Okay. After 50, next number will be 54. Next number is 54. After 54, the next number will be 68 and the greatest number will be 86. Understood, students? This one, third number 92, 29, 19, 39, 69, 59. This one you have to do it by yourself. आपको खुद से करना है. Okay. Now the next question is rewrite the numbers from the greatest to the smallest. Greatest to smallest means अब क्या करना है? बड़े से छोटा number. Okay, decreasing order or descending order. We have to arrange these numbers in decreasing order. बड़े से छोटा. Now see this one. 26, 62, 94, 87, 30, 42. So you have to arrange this number from greatest to smallest. So which is the greatest number here? 94 is the greatest, right? 94. After 94, less than 94 is 87, right? 87. After 87, less than 87 is 62, right? 62. Okay, after 62, less than 62 is 42, right? 42. Less than 42 is 30, right? 30. And the smallest number is 26. So the last number will be 26. So like this we have to arrange from greatest to smallest. See the next question. 13, 23, 83, 38, 43, 32. So which is the greatest number here? 83 is the greatest. Okay, right? 83. After 83, less than 83 is 43, right? 43. Okay, after 43, after 43, next number will be 38, right? 38. Okay, after 38, less than 38 is 32, right? 32. After that, next number will be 23 and the smallest number is 13. So, like this you have to arrange from greatest to smallest. बड़े से छोटा. Now see the last question. 87, 78, 67, 76, 47, 74. Okay, this one is your homework. You have to do it by yourself. Arrange it by yourself. This is page number 69. More about tens and ones. This one we have already studied in page number 64. I have already explained you, and this one we have already solved. So in the same way we have to do that one also. So here in this page 69, tens and ones is given. Okay, so you have to count how many tens and how many ones. So how we are counting this one? This is group of 10 cubes. Okay, this is 110. Okay, 10. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, means 5 tens. Means 50. 50 is there. So how we are counting it? 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens plus how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so how we are writing? 5 tens and 7 ones. Together how we will write this? 57. 5 tens and 7 ones. And in the form of spelling, number name, how we will write? The spelling of 57. F-I-F-T-Y 50 S-C-V-E-N 7. Now see the question. Write the numbers and the number name. Here you have to count how many tens are there, how many ones are there. You have to write the number, and here you have to write the number names. Okay, so first one is already done. Count how many tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. Okay, 4 tens and 6 ones. How we are writing it together? 46. Okay, and here you have to write the spelling of 46. F-O-R-T-Y 40 S-I-X 6. Next question is, how many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. Okay, how many tens are there? 3 tens. And how many ones are there? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Okay, together how we will do? How we will write it? 37. And here you have to write the number name. T-H-I-R-T-Y 30 S-E-V-E-N 7. 37. Okay, next is, how many tens are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens. How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay, together is 99. Okay, here you have to write the spelling of 99. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. N-I-N-E 9. 99. Like this you have to write. Now see the fourth question. How many tens are there? 1, 2. Okay, 2 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Together how we will write? 28. Okay, here you have to write the spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y 28. E-I-G-H-T 8. 28. So here some other questions are given here. This is your homework. Do it by yourself. Okay, count how many tens, how many ones are there. Write here, and after that write the number name also. Okay, this 4 will be your homework. Now see the next page, page number 70. Finding the value. Write numbers in figures. Here question is given 9 tens and 3 ones. You have to write it together. It is very easy. How we will write? 9 tens and 3 ones. Together is 93. 3 tens and 1 1, 31. Okay, 7 tens and 2 ones, 72. Okay, like next is 8 tens and 8 ones, 88. Okay, 4 tens and 7 ones, 47. Next is 6 tens and 0 1. How we will write? 60, 60. Okay, these three you have to do it by yourself. Next question is write in short form. Okay, here you have to write this one in short form. 3 tens and plus 9 ones. How we will write it together? 39. It is also very easy. 2 tens and 0 1, 20, 20. 4 tens and 5 ones, 45. Okay, so like this you have to write. This one is your homework. Do it by yourself. Now see the next one. Write in expanded form. Okay, 39. Here you have to write which one is in the place of tens and which one is in the place of ones. So how we will write? 3 tens and 9 ones. Okay, 25. 2 tens and 5 ones, 25. 78. 7 tens and 8 ones. Okay, so this one you can do it by yourself. Okay, now see page number 71. Digits used for writing numbers. What are the digits we are using for writing numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, we use 10 digits to write numbers. Okay, here you can see tens and ones. How many tens are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones are there. Together how we will write? 3 tens and 6 ones means 36. In number 36, 3 and 6 are called digits. Okay, the digit 3 indicates the number of tens. Means 3 is in the place of tens and the digit 6 indicates the number of ones. Means 6 is in the place of ones. Place value of a digit. So, how we are counting it? Counting from right to left. Counting from right to left. Okay. The first place is called ones place. This place is called ones place. Okay. The digit 6 is at ones place, so its value is 6. Because it is in ones place, so its value is 6. The second place is called tens place. This place is called tens place. The digit 3 is at tens place, so its value is 30. Because it is in tens place, so its value is 30. Okay, as you know that tens means there are cubes of how many? There is a group of how many cubes? 10 cubes. Okay, so here 3 tens means 30. So the value of 3 in tens place is 30. Now see the next page, page number 72. Fill in the blanks. In 79, the digit 7 stands for. 7 in which place? 7 in tens place. Okay. And digit 9 stands for ones. Okay. 79, 7 tens and 9 ones. Same in 97, the digit 9 stands for 9 tens and digit 7 stands for 7 ones. Okay. In 65, the digit 6 stands for 6 tens and digit 5 stands for 5 ones. In 56, the digit 5 stands for 5 tens and digit 6 stands for 6 ones. Okay. Now see the next one. Write how many tens and ones. 75. Here you have to write tens and ones, and here equal to. So we can see the first one, 75. 7 tens and 5 ones is equal to 70, because 7 is in tens place. Okay, 7 is in tens place, so it is 70, and 5 is in ones place, that is why 5. टेंस प्लेस में है, इसलिए इसके पीछे क्या लगा है, एक 0 लगाएंगे, क्योंकि ये 70 है. ओके, 70 प्लस 5. सी द नेक्स्ट वन, 39. 3 tens and 9 ones. So how we will write? 30 plus 9. 30 plus 9 is equal to 39. 3 tens and 9 ones. Next is 27. 2 tens and 7 ones. Together how we will write? 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7 is equal to 27. Next is 65. 6 tens and 5 ones. Together how we will write? 60 plus 5 is equal to 65. Now see the next question, fill in the blanks. Related to this, here some questions are given. Okay, you have to do. 26. In 26, how many tens and how many ones? Okay, 26 means 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. Okay, 83. 80 tens and how many ones? 3 ones. 80 plus 3 is equal to 83. In 48, how many tens? 40 tens and 8 ones. Together it become 43. 99. How many tens and how many ones? 90 tens and 9 ones. Okay. Next is 34. 30 tens and 4 ones. 30 plus 4, 34. Okay. 96. How many tens? 90 plus 6 ones. Okay, 90 tens and 6 ones. Together 96. 42. How many are there? 40 tens plus 2 ones. Together 42. 18. 1 tens and 8 ones. Together 18. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Okay. This one is your homework. Do it by yourself. 43, 51, 77 and 65. You have to fill this one like this. Okay. See this one. How are these numbers alike? How are they different? Here you can see two numbers, 24 and 42. Okay. How are they alike? मतलब इन लोग सेम कैसे हैं और ये डिफरेंट कैसे हैं? These numbers are alike because the same digits are using in it. ये नंबर सेम लग रहे हैं हम लोग को, क्योंकि दोनों नंबर्स के लिए सेम डिजिट यूज किया गया, 24 और 42. उसी को ही दोनों नंबर को ही यूज किया गया है. ओके. एंड हाउ आर दे डिफरेंट? डिफरेंट कैसे हुए? बिकॉज दे आर डिफरेंट बिकॉज 42 इज ग्रेटर देन 24 and 24 is smaller than 42. Okay. So here is the difference. Now see page number 74. Multiple choice question. Tick the correct answer. Okay. Here you have to tick the correct answer. First question is, for writing numbers we use 9 digits, 10 digits or none of this. For writing number, how many digits we are using? 9 digit or 10 digits? 10 digits we are using. Okay, you can count also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 digits we are using from 0 to 9. So our answer is 10 digits. The smallest two-digit number is 10, 11 or 99. So the smallest two-digit number is 10. The answer is 10. The greatest number of two digit is, what is the greatest two-digit number? 88, 99 or 90? The answer is 99. 99 is the greatest two-digit number. Okay. How many two-digit numbers can be formed by using 2 and 6? 2 और 6 को मिला के कितना टू डिजिट नंबर बन सकता है, 2, 3 और 4। द आंसर इज 2। ओके, क्योंकि 2 और 6 को मिला के हम कौन कौन सा नंबर बना सकते हैं? एक तो बना सकते हैं 26, दूसरा बना सकते हैं 62। ओके, सो द आंसर इज 2। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ मैनी 2 डिजिट नंबर्स कैन बी फॉर्म्ड बाय यूजिंग 0 एंड 1। 0 और 1 को मिला के कितना डिजिट बना सकते हैं, कितना 2 डिजिट नंबर बना सकते हैं? 1, 2 और 3। इसका आंसर है 1। कैसे? क्योंकि 0 को अगर हम नंबर के सामने लगाएंगे तो उसका वैल्यू है, लेकिन उसके पीछे लगाएंगे तो उसका कुछ वैल्यू नहीं है, इसलिए इसका आंसर क्या होगा? 1। फ्रॉम नंबर्स 1 to 99 total 2 digit numbers are, from 1 to 99 how many numbers are there? 2 digit numbers, 100, 99 or 90? The answer is 99. Okay, which of the following numbers has the greater place value of 4? Okay, इनमें से किस नंबर 94, 4 और 49 में किस में 4 का वैल्यू ज़्यादा है, ग्रेटर है, बड़ा है? 94 में 4 कौन से प्लेस में है? 1s प्लेस में। 9 कौन से प्लेस में है? 10s प्लेस में। सिंगल 4 है, 4 कौन से प्लेस में है? 1s प्लेस में। और 49 में 9 कौन से प्लेस में है? 1s प्लेस में। और 4 कौन से प्लेस में है? 10s प्लेस में। ओके, सो इसमें जो 4 का प्लेस वैल्यू है वो ग्रेटर है, सो आवर आंसर इज 49. In which of the following numbers the place value of 6 is 60? Here 3 numbers are there, 36, 63, 16. In which number the place value of 6 is 60? किस नंबर में 6 का प्लेस वैल्यू 60 है? 36 में तो 6 1s प्लेस में है। ओके, 63 में क्या है? 3 1s प्लेस में है और 6 10s प्लेस में, मतलब इसमें इसका वैल्यू 60 है। 16 में भी 6 1s प्लेस में। ओके, सो आवर आंसर इज 63. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज Nitish completed 37 stamps. Sophie collected a greater number of stamps. How many stamps could Sophie have collected? Okay, नीतीश ने कितना स्टैम्प्स कलेक्ट किया? 37. सोफी लेकिन नीतीश से भी ज्यादा कलेक्ट किया। ओके, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट हाउ मेनी आर देयर। 35, 27, 41. Okay, so Nitish collected 37 and Sophie collected greater than 37. So 35 is not greater than 37. 27 is also not greater than 37. 41 is greater than 37. So our answer is 41. Okay. The last question is, I am a number between 60 and 70. I am greater than 65. मैं एक नंबर हूँ 60 और 70 के बीच। आई एम ग्रेटर देन 65, मैं 65 से ग्रेटर हूँ, मतलब बड़ा हूँ। एंड लेस देन 68, लेकिन 68 से छोटा हूँ। आई एम नॉट 66, मैं 66 नहीं हूँ। वॉट नंबर आई एम, तो मैं कौन सा नंबर हूँ? 67, 65 या 69? सो आवर आंसर इज 67. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो विद दिस वी हैव completed this chapter. Okay, complete your homework and write it in good handwriting. Practice it also. Okay, till then, bye. Thank you. Next chapter I will explain in my next video.